You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Moving internationally means balancing cost, speed, and safety. Let's find the perfect fit for you. Here are the shipping option breakdowns. First, shared container. Groupage service. This is best for small shipments. You pay only for the space you use, and it's ideal for 1 to 2 bedroom apartments. On the other hand, you can get exclusive container services. This is best for a full household. It's 20 to 40 feet sealed containers. It's full protection and direct shipment. There's also the air freight service. This is fast. In fact, often in just a few days. It's best for urgent, valuable, and minimal shipments. It's a much higher cost compared to ocean freight, but it is much faster. Don't forget about your custom packing and crating. Use special crates for fragile items. We offer custom packing and crating. We use special crates for fragile items, furniture disassembly and reassembly, and full inventory management. Here's how SDC can help you decide what your shipping option is going to be. Our relocation specialist will review your household inventory, your timeline, and budget to recommend the best option. In the next episode, we'll dive into the vehicle shipping to India and the strict regulation that you need to know. Maybe you're ready to start your journey to India. Request your free moving quote today. Speak with a relocation expert at 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.